Hey YouTube, Perk here, Koi Services. I hope you are all good and well. This video is a job we've just completed. It's a wildlife pond. It's 2.4 meters by 2 meters by 2 foot deep. I put a lot of shelves in it just for planting and stuff, and obviously to help the wildlife. I built a stream, a windy stream, and it's also got a waterfall. It's got a rubber liner. There's no filtration. Hopefully the stream will sort of give a little bit of natural filtration. It's powered just simply with a hose lock 4,000 litre water pump. The hose lock ones come with a basket inside, which is like wildlife friendly basically, so it's not going to suck up any of the wildlife. Obviously it's late in the season, so there are a few plants in there. Yeah, so I hope you like the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.